If your toilet wobbles every time you sit down, it's not just annoying. It could be quietly damaging your bathroom floor without you even realizing it. I ignored the rocking for way too long, honestly just assuming it was normal for an older toilet. Turns out, it's actually a pretty quick fix once you know what's going on underneath. The first thing I did was check the base. Toilets sit on a flange bolted to the floor, and over time those bolts can loosen from regular use. I grabbed a wrench and gently tightened both sides. Not too much, just enough to snug it up, since over-tightening can actually crack the porcelain. That helped a little, but it was still rocking slightly. So I moved to the next step, checking if the floor underneath was uneven. This is super common in older homes. I picked up a pack of plastic toilet shims from the hardware store, slid them under the low side of the base until it sat level, then trimmed off the extra with a utility knife. Wait a moment, I'm always curious about this. So tell us where in the world you're watching from. Drop it in the comments. Okay, back to the fix. Once it was sitting level and the bolts were snug, I finished it off by resealing the base with a bit of caulk around the edge. This isn't just cosmetic. It stops water from sneaking underneath if there's ever a small leak, which can cause bigger flooring damage over time. After all that, the wobble was completely gone, and the toilet finally felt solid every time I sat down. A rocking toilet seems minor, but it's usually an easy fix before it turns into a floor problem. So don't wait too long to check it.